Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a basic sponge cake recipe, and this is a chocolate cake. This is the best chocolate cake for all type of frostings. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Into a bowl, sift in flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Now you have to sift this for 3 times so that you can incorporate a lot of air into the flour. Now add in powdered sugar, give it a mix and keep it aside. Into another bowl, add in 3 eggs, and the eggs has to be in room temperature. Add some vanilla essence and beat it until it becomes frothy. Add some flavorless vegetable oil and blend it again. Now add half of the dry ingredient mixture into the egg and blend it. Now in a bowl, add some coffee powder into some hot water and pour half of that into the cake batter. Blend it. Then add some more dry ingredients. Mix it again. Pour rest of the coffee mixture. Blend it. Add rest of the dry ingredients. Then blend it. You may feel like the batter is a bit loose, but don't worry, this is going to make a perfect sponge cake. Now let's prepare the cake tin. Apply some oil. Place parchment paper on the bottom and sides of the cake tin. Now pour the cake batter. It should fill only till 3/4 portion of the cake tin. Give it a tap. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now once it cools down completely, take it out from the cake tin and remove the parchment paper. As you can see, our soft and moist chocolate sponge cake is ready. Check out my next video to see how you can make a chocolate truffle cake with this chocolate sponge cake. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.